Every forklift operator is unique. Some have lots of experience and have very few bad habits, while other experienced operators have many bad habits. There are new operators who have just finished their training and don't have a lot of experience, and there are experienced operators who haven't been on a lift truck in a long time and need to be considered new operators. Each type of operator has different strengths and weaknesses that need to be assessed in different ways. As your company's evaluator, your role is to determine who is a safe operator and who is not. This is not as simple as giving a one-size-fits-all evaluation to each operator. Before beginning your evaluation, you need to find out some background information on your candidate. This will help you determine how to perform your evaluation and what types of operator errors you might be looking for. You also need to exhibit professionalism in the way you interact with your candidate and how you conduct your evaluation.